bunkers, mines, and other underground facilities can also employ FirePASS solutions for their absolute fire protection. Even the explosion of a penetrating bomb would not cause any fire. Combat vehicles do not have to catch fire anymore when hit by a cumulative shell. Marine vessels can protect their cargo compartments with a constant fire-preventative atmosphere, which is safe for humans and animals. All other rooms can be protected by FirePASS in suppression mode. Electric train tunnels like Eurotunnels should be protected by FirePASS in prevention mode. This will exclude the possibility of a fire completely. The same solution should be applied to mountain ski trains in order to prevent the type of disaster that happened in the ski resort Kaprun in the Austrian Alps. An automobile tunnel needs ambient air for combustion engines. FirePASS suppression system can provide quick extinguishing of any fire by flooding the tunnel with the breathable hypoxic agent. The problem of fire safety has been resolved. What are you waiting for? If you're serious about this, just think about this.